What's going on, everybody? I made a letterboard for my niece so she can practice writing her letters, and since it's back to school season, I thought I would make a tutorial so you can make one too. I made mine using my Glowforge, but if you don't have access to a Glowforge, you can use this technique to print one out and it will look just as good. So let's jump right into it. First thing to do is head over to the Worksheet Generator on my website. There's a link in the description below. On my Worksheet Generator, you'll start off with all the letters of the alphabet, but you can put whatever text you want in here and it will generate a worksheet for you. You could do your kid's name, your pet's name, your street name, your favorite YouTube channel, anything you want. But for this one, I'm going to do the standard alphabet. There's two options for downloading, SVG and printing. If you don't have access to a laser cutter, you can use the print option to print it on regular paper and it still works great. The print should come out in a familiar blue and red line format. Since I'm going to laser this one, I'll download the SVG. Once we have the SVG, we have to make a few modifications, and we're going to use a free program called Inkscape. There'll be a link in the description below. Inside of Inkscape, we're going to convert all the text into paths. Lasers don't know how to deal with fonts, so we have to convert the text into paths. This is super easy to do with Inkscape. Select the text, then go to Path, and select Object to Path. Repeat this process for each line of the text. Next thing I like to do is ungroup all the lines of the text. I don't think it actually matters, but it makes me feel better. To do this, select the line of text and then go to Object and select Ungroup. The final operation we need to make is to mirror the entire thing. I'm going to be engraving this on the back of the piece of acrylic, so the engraved marks don't ruin the tip of the dry erase marker. To mirror it, select everything and click the horizontal double arrows up the top. Now that our design is ready, we can upload it in the Glowforge app. To do this, I created a new project, selected my material, and then clicked Upload Design. I selected my edited file and then positioned it where I wanted it to cut out. I also went through and made sure all my layers were at the right type of cut. For example, I wanted these lines to be a score. I haven't sped up this footage at all, and I think it's important because one of the most common discussions I've had around the Glowforge ecosystem is the fact that as users, we're beholden to the speed of their servers. While I think it's true, I also think it's mostly a theoretical point. I don't pay for the fast lanes or the priority service, and to upload my design took seconds. And then the processing took a few more seconds. To me, it doesn't feel any different than the speed of connecting to a Bluetooth device. Now that our upload has been processed, we can go press that button and kick off this laser job. This is sped up, but the real time was about 45 minutes. And then this is me struggling to get the piece out of the machine due to only using one hand. Yep. Nope. Almost. Okay. Yep. Not quite. Alright, there we go. Got it. And every laser video has to have a shot of peeling the masking off, right? Right? That's a thing. And of course I gotta test it to make sure it runs good before sending it off. Now to erase any evidence of my crimes.